Are you looking for top 5 best mechanical keyboards today? I am diving into a hands-on review of top 5 best mechanical keyboards. It's one of the top-rated items on Amazon right now. I'll walk you through the features, share my honest experience. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get future reviews. And let you know if it's really worth your money. Let's get into it. Number 1, Epicmaker X Aula F108 PRO. The Epicmaker X Aula F108 PRO wireless gaming keyboard is a premium full-size mechanical keyboard built for gamers, creators, and power users who want both performance and style. It features a 100% 104 key layout with hot swappable switches, letting you easily customize typing feel without soldering. A 1.14-inch built-in screen and multifunction knob act as an intuitive control hub for adjusting RGB effects, volume, system info, and more, all customizable through software. With an 8000 mAh high-capacity battery, you get exceptionally long wireless runtime, and tri-mode connectivity, USB-C wired, 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, ensures flexible use across Mac, PC, Android, and more. The keyboard also boasts per-key south-facing RGB backlighting with vivid effects, durable PBT keycaps, and a gasket mount with 5-layer sound dampening for a smooth, quiet typing experience. Whether for fast-paced gaming or everyday work, the F108 PRO blends functionality, customization, and comfort into a sleek, vibrant package. Number 2, Be Quiet. Light Mount Silent Tactile ARGB. The Be Quiet Light Mount Mechanical Keyboard, model BT00 for US, is a high-end tactile gaming and productivity keyboard designed for users who value performance and premium build quality. It features factory-lubricated silent tactile switches that deliver satisfying feedback with reduced noise, perfect for both intense gaming sessions and focused work environments. Their hot swappable switch sockets let you easily customize or upgrade switches without soldering, giving you full control over typing feel. A standout 3D media will provide smooth, precise control over volume and media functions, while fully programmable keys and extensive ARGB lighting let you personalize layouts and effects to match your setup. Durable PBT double-shot keycaps resist wear and shine for long-lasting performance, and the sturdy chassis ensures a premium typing experience. Whether you're building a sleek desk setup or seeking a reliable daily driver, the light mount blends silent precision, customization, and thoughtful ergonomics into one sophisticated keyboard. Number 3, NUPHY Halo75 V2. The NUPHY Halo75 V2 mechanical gaming keyboard is a premium 75% compact layout designed for gamers and productivity lovers who want performance and portability. With 83 hot swappable keys, you can easily customize or upgrade switches without soldering, complete with tactile black raspberry switches that deliver a smooth, responsive feel ideal for gaming and typing alike. This versatile keyboard offers 3 connectivity modes: Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired, giving you seamless compatibility with PCs, Macs, tablets, and phones. The vivid RGB backlighting brings your setup to life with customizable lighting effects and enhanced aesthetics. Its compact form factor saves desk space while retaining essential keys, making it perfect for travel and small setups. Built with quality materials and thoughtful design, the Halo75 V2 blends function and style with reliable wireless performance, satisfying typing feedback, and easy customization, all wrapped in a sleek, modern frame that elevates both gaming sessions and everyday use. Number 4, Aula F99 Pro. The AULA F99 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard, silent version is a versatile and stylish full-size keyboard built for gamers and everyday users alike. It offers 3 reliable connection modes: Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired, so you can easily switch between devices without missing a beat. Its hot swappable design lets you swap switches without soldering, giving you full control over typing feel and customization. Equipped with pre-lubed linear switches, the F99 Pro delivers smooth, quiet key presses that are ideal for both intense gaming sessions and focused work environments. The gasket mount structure enhances typing comfort with improved flexibility and sound dampening, while vibrant RGB backlighting brings dynamic lighting effects to your setup. With durable keycaps and a sleek white finish, this keyboard combines performance, comfort, and eye-catching style. Whether you're building a minimalist battle station or upgrading your daily driver, the X Aula F99 Pro blends convenience, customization, and premium typing experience into one impressive package. Number 5. RK Royal KLUDGE S98. The RK Royal KLUDGE S98 mechanical keyboard is a premium 96% wireless keyboard that blends smart features, solid performance, and refined acoustics into a sleek, versatile package. Designed with a smart display and multifunctional knob, it gives you quick access to system info, media controls, and custom settings right at your fingertips. Connectivity is flexible with Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired modes, making it easy to pair with laptops, desktops, tablets, and more. The 98-key layout retains essential keys while saving desk space, and the hot swappable sockets allow you to change switches without soldering for personalized typing feel. With intuitive software support, you can customize key assignments, lighting effects, and macros to match your workflow or gaming style. Built for satisfying feedback and a creamy, balanced sound profile, the S98 delivers both performance and comfort for long typing sessions. Whether you're gaming, working, or creating, this keyboard offers responsiveness, style, and flexibility in one refined unit.